Brown Motors in Petoskey specializes in oil changes. Our goal is to get your vehicle in and out as efficiently as possible, with everything done right the first time. But even more, our commitment is to treat all of our customers the way we would like to be treated.
I would rather have the customer feeling like they're not just a customer to me, more or less somebody who is part of the Brown Motors family. So that we're going to be honest with them and not try and sell them something they don't need or something they don't want.
And now, to make it easier for you to experience Northern Michigan's best service, Brown Motors has doubled our capacity and added staff to our quick lube facilities. At Brown Motors, you can rest assured you will be getting the best there is.
We have factory trained technicians. We use all OEM parts. Our guys give you a 27 multi-point inspection free of charge with every oil change that comes in.
Brown Motors, your Northern Michigan service headquarters since 1898, US 31 North, Petoskey.